Okay. Hi Manoj.
Hello, hi.
Yes, now currently you are learning about the Norwegian language and you know the fee of Norwegian language classes are very high. So any five tips you can provide so that we can learn Norwegian without going to the classes and paying for the tuition fees?
Okay, for learning Norse or any other language, first you have to understand the basic sentence structure and basic fundamental things. For that, it's wise to have a good pronunciation and formal thing. Without paying, some university like NTNU provide free courses like Norwegian on the web. So for AN, A2 niveau, also for B1 niveau, there is the course. So you can have that fundamental course with you. So that is the one tip. So if you know the fundamental, then you can learn anything. Like for example, second can be the YouTube. So there is a YouTube, there are many different types of YouTube channel that provides good amount of language learning and teaching material. For example, most widely famous in Norway is YouTube Karensa, so you can follow her channel as well. So there are for sale other channel as well, so you have to go through and check it out. So YouTube is very free. So this is the second technique that you can do for learning Norsk in Norway, or you can learn from your other country as well. So the third tip can be, there are Språk cafes. So you have to go and be involved in that Språk cafe. For example, Bibliotech also organizes Språk cafe, or some organization like some church also conduct Språk cafes, and for example, and other organization like Red Cross also organizes the Språk cafes. So you have to involve in that and participate in the learning process. So other thing is that you can borrow the materials from the bibliothèque. So that's one of the advantage of learning Norsk is that.
What does bibliothèque mean?
Okay, so bibliothèque basically means the library. So the library in Norway, there are so many materials of learning material. If you are learning for language, then you have to go there and just have a registered card. You have to provide your details and they will provide the card. Then you can borrow the required languages, books. For example, if you go for A1, A2 niveau, you can go for Povai book, or A2 or A2BN niveau, you can go for Stein per Stein. So there are different types of book and there are workbooks as well. So you have to take them and learn. So that can be another way to learn. And after all, the most and very fundamental thing to learn Norwegian or any other language is to apply. So you have to apply the things in your everyday life. So learning without applying doesn't make you learn any language. And most importantly, if you are learning Norse, that won't be helping you either. So you have to apply it. So how you can apply is to talk with, when you go to the grocery, you need to apply the things that you have learned. When you are going in a bus, you need to ask the bus driver about the things, or you can ask anyone. So when you are in a boutique, so you have to apply that. When you are playing, apply that. When you are home, you try to talk reciprocate the things in Norse. So this is the way you can learn Norse. So here it's quite expensive, so but to learn there should be a will, and like, share and subscribe. Samadasi for this. Adebra.